Welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In today's video, we show how you can read keystrokes with Peakboard. It is possible to read individual keystrokes or even entire texts. To read a single key, you can select the global event, key pressed. On the right side, you will find Check Pressed Key, which allows you to query the pressed key. There is also the Check Key modifier block. This allows you to check whether Shift, Control, or Alt is pressed. There is also the option of reading out an entire text. A text is always an entire input up to an enter. As a rule, this is also the behavior that an RFID reader or barcode scanner performs. This outputs a text followed by an enter. The text can be read out via the Get Text block. In the video description, you can find links to our template page, where you can download the project file and the corresponding article on our help page. Thank you for watching.